Unraveling time phrases, understanding on the hour. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's commonly used but often misunderstood, on the hour. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master this phrase. At the start of any given hour, that's the essence of on the hour. This phrase is used to describe something happening precisely when the clock hits a new hour, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. It's all about the timing being exact, not a minute earlier or later. How do you use on the hour in everyday conversation? It's most commonly found in contexts relating to schedules or timekeeping. For example, the bus comes on the hour. Every hour means the bus arrives at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. It's a phrase that helps indicate regularity and precision in timing. While on the hour is straightforward, there are variations like on the half hour or every quarter hour. These phrases follow the same logic but refer to different times, the half-hour mark and every 15 minutes, respectively. Recognizing these variations helps in understanding schedules and time-related conversations more broadly. A common mistake learners make is confusing on the hour with by the hour. While the former refers to a specific moment, like 3 o'clock, the latter refers to a time span or duration, like I get paid by the hour. Understanding this distinction is crucial for accurate communication. That's a wrap on the hour. Remember, it's all about something happening at the exact start of an hour. We hope this video clears up any confusion and helps you use this phrase like a native. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.